day 302 overhead press every day. Obviously it's raining, fairly light. It actually feels quite nice, refreshing. Anti-mosquito. Start with the snatch set. Gotta respect your voice. You would think 24 kilos for a set of 25 isn't that hard, but it catches up to you. I love it. It's extremely mentally challenging to push the reps on kettlebell ballistics. Everyone tends to have an off switch within about 10-12 reps, where psychologically you don't want to keep going. And more so than the physical, that's the value of burpees, kettlebell snatches, kettlebell swings. The fact that you're going to end up pushing the reps into the stratosphere. Alright, having done 25 snatches with the left, I'm going to do a total 25 bottoms up clean and press with my right to match the volume of reps, if not the movement side to side. It'd be cool to hit it in one set. It's raining. Bell's going to be slick. This could go very well. This could be multiple sets to get to. We'll see. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15's not bad, considering the rain. Don't think it's a PR. I'll look that up, put it in the sky in red lettering. 10 more clean and press to go. At least in the moment, I can enjoy the comfortable temperature, the little bit of drizzle hitting my shoulders. It's not actually really bad as far as the humidity today. It's been worse the last few days. I've been timing my videos to where it had been downpouring earlier, and then that little brief bit of sunlight was when I was lifting. So the sky might have had a nice color from being wet and then dry again. The grass around me was wet, but it wasn't actively raining. It's different circumstances. It's not really like you're in nature when you're just in your backyard, but this is far more close to reality than if I was under fluorescent lights, under AC, inside a gym right now. this is at least a half step, and better than no step to all the primal stuff that you see online. Gotta do 10 more reps. Leaving a string on the belt from this rag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got the 25 in 2 sets. Just because I haven't done this in a while. A 24 kilo bottoms up press with my left. Now, I was thinking this and actually cut it out of about a minute of talking where I fumbled my words very seriously. I noticed last night that my channel like average about 2 or 3 months ago was 83-84%. And last night I saw that it was 93, which the way I read that is that the subscribers have been pressing the like button more so now than people were only a few months ago. And for that, I want to say thank you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Persistence and tenacity. I'm out.